Hi, today we're showing the Autoland Scientech Vedis tree. The Vedis tree has excellent coverage on Asian, European and American cars, SUVs and light commercial vehicles, and also has coverage for Asian trucks like Fuso, Hino, Isuzu, UD and Dyna. Now also has coverage for supercars like Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, Nissan GTR and Porsche. The new model now is the operating system is Android system, but this, as you can see, is not just an Android, it's a proper handheld rugged unit, heavy duty unit. It's wireless enabled, so you can update the software and everything directly from the tool without having to connect to computers or network cables. You can also go online and browse the internet, same as any computer or Android device, or go onto your technical information system like Autodata, AllData, or whichever system you're using. It's a touch screen system, but also has touch buttons or touch pad here on the side, so you still have like proper touch buttons like the older Vedis 2, so you have up and down, forward, back, enter and exit. So we'll just go into diagnostics here. So you have all your brands listed. They have them broken down into groups. So you have Asian manufactured vehicles, European, USA, Ford and Mazda have in a separate category, Asian trucks, supercars, OBD2 and all. If you click on all, it just brings up all the brands listed in one page. Has over 50 different vehicles listed in the software. So for example, we go into Asian. All your Asian vehicle has excellent Asian coverage. So you can scroll through, pick your brand, or go through with the touch buttons, or I don't know if you can see here with the flare on the screen, there's letters on the top. So if you click on, say, T, it drops down to Toyota, M, it goes up, sorry, I went a bit too far there, M, it'll go up to Mazda, or the first brand with the first brand beginning with M, and so on. So you can exit out of that, your European listing. You can scroll through or use the buttons to go through, or click on the letters. And so American vehicles, Chrysler, GM, Ford and Mazda, trucks, Dyno, Fuso, Hino, Isuzu, UD, supercars. And like I said, this is all. Then we just have some other buttons up here. This is for picking whichever wireless network you want to connect to. This for taking screenshots, or you can take a screenshot with this button here. So this will take a picture of whatever's on the current screen. So if you're in doing a diagnostic and you want to take a picture of fault codes or whatever to show it to the customer, you can just hit here or here. This thing is a new feature, it's a bug report. So if you connect to a vehicle and you find a bug or problem in the software, you put in the make, model, year, engine, the problem you're having, your details, and hit OK, and it sends this report to the Autoland engineers. And here then is just some of these top buttons repeated again. The only other thing you have here is a customer relationship manager. It's where the system can store customer details like registration, name, make, model, and then you can associate the print screens or pictures you've taken to that customer. So if we want to go back out of that, then we can either just go exit here, or like any Android operating system, we can click on this here and select whichever one we want, or just close them all. In here then we have the J2534, or pass-through. So these are the brands that they have tested it with on the J2534 protocol. So Volvo, Vida, Jaguar, Land Rover, Toyota, Lexus, Techstream, Honda, HDS, GM for Opel, Vauxhall and American GM vehicles. and Ford FMP. For Ford, with the pass-through or J2534, they only allow programming and reprogramming, so that's all you'll have with Ford. But for all the rest, they allow programming, reprogramming and diagnostics. So I would say that at the minute these are the brands that they have tested it with. Possibly can use it on other brands, but these are the ones that are confirmed, and there'll be more coming with future updates. In here then we have a technical hotline. So one of the first things here is a remote control. So basically it's just a team viewer application on this unit. So you can let another person remote in on this unit with your permission, of course, so they can see what you're seeing remotely, or they can take over the unit and perform the diagnostics or whatever function you're trying to do for you if you're having problems. In here then they have diagnostic guides, so this is where Autoland would make some videos or technical e-papers showing you how to perform a certain diagnostic procedures and functions. So when you click in here, it's going online to look up their videos and technical information papers. Here's software specification, so that's just showing you what came on the recent updates, which new models or vehicles or systems that were added. And here then is for the updating the unit. So like we said, it's wirelessly enabled, so you just connect to the Wi-Fi network and you can update it straight from the tool. No more connecting to a PC or removing SD cards or anything like that. So here now it's just getting the package list, so there's no updates available. If there was, there'd be a list of them along in this top line, and we can select which one we want to update or just click update all. So all the ones down here are the current versions that it's on. So that's for updating the vehicle system. This is for updating the applications. And again, there's no updates for this unit because it's only after being updated, and this is for updating the systems. Okay. And setup then, let's see if it's in here. So again, you have an option for picking your Wi-Fi network. Display size, this is a very important one on it, or it's very useful, so you can set it to small. You see how the text is changing. Normal, big, and extra big. Sound and notification, these are like most of the common settings that you'll have on any Android operating system. Vehicle brand logo, you can have a text only, sketch drawn or color photo. Sound and notifications, personal your account. Right, just exit out of that one. Language and input. Again, so just for the common, be similar to any Android settings. Date and time, about the device. Again, it's just showing you the versions of software it's on, the build numbers and so on. Serial number and print. This is for picking the type of printer you're using, the network printers. So you can print wirelessly over a network. So close all these. So the beauty of this is you can have several different applications running at once and just click on whichever one you want to use. So for example, we click there again, or we can click back into the J2534 application. Let's exit out of that. Some other settings, there are things you can adjust on it then as well. The screen brightness, I have it set quite low because it's difficult when you're doing a video with the glare on it. So I can go in here and, sorry, just cancel that. In here we have the network we're connected to, Bluetooth, rotate. This is, you can rotate the screen 360 degrees, so if you want to have the handle at the top or at the bottom, so we'll just rotate it back there again. And also then in here you can adjust the screen brightness. And just put it back low down to the last for when we're doing the video. So that's about it for today. This, like I said, is just to give a brief overview of the tool, just to show you some of the new features on it. In the next few videos then we'll be connecting to vehicles and showing it actually operating, doing diagnostics. Great, thanks for watching.